with these, you just pop them out straight like that. Gonna take our bulb grease. No fucking scissors. Nah, I gotta go instead. I gotta go inside and get scissors. I don't care. I'm not putting my mouth on this shit. Ooh, Callie. Yeah. Alright, so you take your grease. Just gonna put a little bit in there. Well, you can put a decent sized amount. They don't even really need that much for real. Come on, son of a bitch. Damn fingers. Like presto. That's it. See how hazy those are compared to this new one? It's crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead, do the same thing with this side. I got tar on that. Oh wow. I don't know how tar got inside.